getting ready while we chit chat about what's going on today. I shower and it was amazing. We have like a little bench in our shower and I just sit there and like shave my legs. I actually bring a little towel in there because nowadays you can't like bend over and shave your legs. Like I have this big belly. I want to keep things nice. So I actually just got this cream. I just recently filmed a skincare video and I'm like, I don't use face moisturizer. But I was at my mom's condo and she has this and I used it because we went to the beach and my skin was so dry. Literally had to buy it the next day. It's Charlotte Tilbury Instant Turnaround Moisture Magic Cream. Oh my God. It feels like even better than La Mer if you love like a thick cream, but a thick cream that eventually dries. It doesn't make you feel oily all day. But anyway, I feel so amazing that I have lashes again. So with COVID, obviously I wasn't getting my lashes done. And now that things are opening, safely opening, we both wore a mask. I was able to get my lashes done, which is so nice. They're a little more than I usually get. I usually do really natural, but today we're doing a DIY maternity shoot. We're gonna talk about that in a second. She said she wants to do volume and then like just like a little bit more so that it shows up in photos. And some mamas to be were asking, do you lay on your back? So no. The old lash place I was going to in LA actually had a pregnancy pillow there. I would still bring your own, especially with what's going on. But the lady yesterday said I could either bring a pillow or a pregnancy pillow. So I just brought like this medium-sized firm pillow because I didn't know what her bed looked like. I just kind of like cuddled it and she was so sweet about being like, do you need to move? And like even if she was doing this side and I was on this side, if I wanted to like lean this way, she just worked around me. So I was comfortable the whole time and I just went from side to side. We're doing a DIY maternity shoot. So I want to do one now in June and then one in July. So like my last month of being pregnant, my 9th month. So I want to do an 8-month pregnancy shoot because my mom's still in town. So I want her to get into a few and jump in. But yeah, a lot of you guys know my mom moved here, but only part-time. So she's going to be going back and forth. And the next time she comes back is probably when I'm in labor. So we won't be doing a maternity shoot. This is YSL Eclat foundation. I really like it because it covers my melasma that I got from Miss Dot here. But it's still lightweight. Yeah, so many of you guys asked if we were doing a maternity shoot, and this is how I feel. I love the photos Jared takes of me. We have a really good camera just for photos, and I never use it. I take all my Instagram photos. People always ask. I take them all on my iPhone. Like literally, not even my vlogging camera, the camera I'm using right now. This takes awful photos, takes great video. It's like crystal clear, no softener effect, nothing. Like what you're seeing is what I look like, and that's what I like about this camera. It's the Canon G7X, but I have a Sony that takes beautiful photos with like a little bit of a softening effect, so you don't have to do any editing. It's really like beginner proof. So it doesn't soften it too. I keep the softener on low so that I don't look weird. But it is nice to have that because you don't need like Photoshop or anything to like smooth anything. Everything comes out beautiful. The background looks beautiful. I just moved to Florida and I don't know any photographers and I just don't want to pay for something that I don't really love the work. Like I looked at some photos in my area and a lot of the photos are like those, like, do you remember the photos you would get when you were a kid? Your parents would take you, like my mom used to take us to JCPenney's and it'd be like that fake background and we'd be like, I don't like that. I like very earthy photos, and there's only really one photographer that I'm obsessed with and she's in New Jersey. So, but she takes very pretty, like bright, but like faded fairy photos. I call her like the fairy photographer. If she could do all my photos, I would hire her. Yeah, I just like the way they come out when Jared does it. And I do have a timer on my camera, so maybe we could jump in together, but I want to get some of me and my mom before she goes home with the baby. And I also think there's something beautiful about your husband or your partner taking the photo of you. So I can like put like taken by dad. So comment below if you're the same way, if you would just rather do DIY. This is the Sharp Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I always do the face and then I jump to eyes and then we'll go back and do bronzer and all that. But this is my favorite palette because I love pinky shades. Hopefully the weather is good. Normally I do liquid liner, but I'm not going to since my eyelashes are so black. But I use this like really pink color on the lid. Just makes life so much easier to have them done. That's all I do for my eyeshadow, like how easy. And then I just take this chocolatey color. Maybe like eyeliner. From my mom's bathroom, and she gave me these rhinestone bathing suit bottoms to wear under this. So this is just like a maternity dress that I got on Amazon for maternity photos, and it's all open in the front. And I have Dot's ultrasound, and I'm gonna like hold a picture of her and like dangle it. So I just did minimal jewelry, just like what I normally wear. Everyone's drinking and having fun but me.
But you will soon.
I know.
Don't trip.
So this will be the first scene here. And then we're also gonna do some over here.
Seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love.
Yeah, so we just got home after we were done taking photos. We were just hanging out at my mom's. Let me know what you guys thought of the shoot and what was your favorite photo. I think these two, maybe these three are my favorite. I just can't wait to have a collage wall, and these are gonna be on there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it gave you some ideas, maybe some inspiration, especially if you don't wanna spend the money on a photographer. Or if you do, that's cool too, and you just wanna take it for inspiration. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.